Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Unbox the Xbox Rog Ally X and verify included items like charger and manuals. Connect the provided USB-C charger to the console and a grounded outlet nearby. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the device on. Follow on-screen language and region prompts using the joystick or touchscreen. Charge the battery until the LED shows full before first extended use for battery health. Register the device online within 30 days to activate warranty benefits and access support. Sign in with your Microsoft account to sync Xbox, Game Pass, and cloud saves automatically. If you do not have an account, create one using email or phone. Enable two-factor authentication for improved account security and password recovery options. Link your Xbox Game Pass subscription through the store app to access included titles. Set privacy and online safety settings for friends' chat and crossplay in the console menu. Install essential updates when prompted and restart the device to finish configuration. Connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for lower latency and faster downloads when available. Alternatively, use wired Ethernet with a USB-C adapter for the most stable connection. Pair Bluetooth or Xbox wireless controllers through the accessories menu in settings. Adjust display mode to handheld or docked and set HDR and refresh rate preferences. Install GPU, controller, and system updates to ensure performance and compatibility. Use a micro SD card to expand storage and move games when internal storage reaches limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.